And Dave, you know a fire is big when you can see it on satellite,
right?
And that has been the case with this fire, correct?
Yeah, satellite and the radar as well, guys. I mean, you can see it on the radar. The radar is picking up the smoke embers, and you can see the hottest part of it on radar. It's there up in the right just south of Louisville. Now watch, I'm going to zoom in on this just for a second here to give you perspective, but watch what happens here in just a second. You'll see, Evan Krugel talked about this. Now for most of the day, the fire had been burning in this direction off to the east, but then watch what happened in just the last couple of minutes. You can see, watch the southern movement of this. You'll see it kind of go that way. Watch the yellow kind of propagate. So that's the Northwest Parkway there that connects with US 36. Superior is right over here. You can see there's Superior. Lafayette is here, and then there's the Broomfield area. So now you've got these flames kind of burning over this natural grassland. And then Evan pointed his camera, if you guys will. You remember when he pointed his camera to the left, he said he thinks there's another fire, possibly. Well, it's right here. You can see it just getting underway. It's right in that spot there. Now, this is pretty open here as you go west of McCaslin and south of US 36. So there's natural grasslands, and I think that's what we're seeing in some of the images on the right-hand side. So probably embers got caught up in some stronger wind as the wind turned to the south. It deposited those embers on those natural grasses, and now you've got a small little separate fire burning there to the west of Broomfield.